Hello students, in this video we are going to discuss numerical problem number 22nd from the chapter of Newton's laws of motion from book called as Newton ISA Physics. The question says that you have been given a 150-gram ball. So there is a 150-gram ball which is moving at a speed of 12 meter per second. So this is a ball which is moving at a speed of 12 meter per second. So this ball is moving with a speed of 12 meter per second, strikes a bat, okay, is hit by a bat, and when it returns with a speed of 20 meter per second. So this cricket ball now returns back with a speed of 20 meter per second. The duration of impact of the ball is 0.01 second, and we are interested in finding out the average force exerted by the ball on the bat. बच्चों, क्वेश्चन चाहे मोमेंटम के जितने भी हैं, जो एक बड़ी कॉमन मिस्टेक बच्चे करते हैं वो है इस बात को बार बार भूल जाना कि मोमेंटम इज अ वेक्टर क्वांटिटी. सो जो एक लर्निंग ऑब्जेक्टिव इस क्वेश्चन का रहना चाहिए, आपको जो दिमाग में लेके जाना है, आपको लर्निंग ऑब्जेक्टिव जो है वो इस फैक्ट को रियलाइज करना है कि दैट मोमेंटम इज अ वेक्टर क्वांटिटी. सो मोमेंटम इज अ वेक्टर क्वांटिटी. ये बात को दिमाग में रखिएगा भी, और न्यूमेरिकल सॉल्व करते टाइम अप्लाई भी कीजिएगा. यानी वेक्टर क्वांटिटी जब किसी भी चीज को मैं कहता हूं तो उसके साथ उसका मैग्नीट्यूड भी इंपॉर्टेंट है, उसका सेंस ऑफ डायरेक्शन भी इंपॉर्टेंट है. दूसरी चीज ये ध्यान में रखने लायक बात होती है कि फोर्सेस ऑलवेज अकर इन एक्शन रिएक्शन पेयर. इन दोनों ही चीजों का इस क्वेश्चन में इस्तेमाल होगा, एक्शन एंड रिएक्शन पेयर. Action and reaction pair. So we will see how these two things comes into our learning part, and I believe that you already well versed with the fact that force is always equals to delta P by delta T. That is the Newton's second law of motion. Now this should have been learned by all of you by up till now. So when I'm talking about the force is nothing but the rate of change of momentum. So let's try to find out the change in momentum experienced by the ball. So what I'm going to do, I'm looking forward to find out the change in momentum experienced by the ball. So change in momentum experienced by the ball. And whenever I say the term change in momentum, I believe you all understand change in momentum means final momentum minus initial momentum. So what I need to do, I need to look for the initial momentum of the cricket ball. So what is the initial momentum of the cricket ball? Momentum being product of mass into velocity. So I'm looking for the initial momentum. What is the mass of the ball? That is 150 gram, 150 upon 1000. Remember, numericals में SI units का इस्तेमाल करना नेसेसरी है. तो जहां कहीं पर भी आप किसी और यूनिट को देखिए जो एसआई नहीं है, जो एमकेएस नहीं है, उसको हमेशा एमकेएस यूनिट में कन्वर्ट करें. तो यहां आप देख रहे हो बॉल किस में दिया हुआ, ग्राम्स में. तो मैंने क्या किया, उसको केजी में कन्वर्ट कर दिया. मल्टीप्लाइड बाय वेलोसिटी. व्हाट इज द वेलोसिटी ऑफ द बॉल? दैट इज 12 मीटर पर सेकेंड. सो लेट्स ट्राई टू सॉल्व इट आउट. दिस कम्स आउट टू बी 1.8 kg मीटर पर सेकेंड. नाउ बच्चों, ये बात अधूरी है. इट्स इनकम्प्लीट. व्हेनेवर यू राइट डाउन द मोमेंटम लाइक दिस ओनली, दिस इज इनकम्प्लीट मोमेंटम. रिमेंबर, इट्स डायरेक्शन मस्ट आल्सो बी इनिशिएटेड, एंड यू कैन सी इफ आई टेक दिस डायरेक्शन एज x axis and this direction as y axis. So the ball is moving towards the positive of the x axis. I should put I cap over here. See, momentum being a vector quantity must never be mentioned without the sense of direction. That's what's the learning outcome of this numerical is. Now, what is the final momentum? Once again, it will be the mass times velocity. So what is the mass of the ball? It still remains the same. The mass of the ball is not going to change, provided there is no wear and tear of the ball. And when it returns, now it is returning back with a speed of 20 meter per second. So now see, this is returning back, so direction of motion have been changed. So it is 20 minus I cap. Take care about these simple things. These things are the things which are the basic cause of mistake committed by most of you. So this is the final momentum, 3.0 kg meter per second. So what is the change in momentum experienced by the ball? So change in momentum experienced by the ball. So what was the final momentum? That is minus 3.0 I cap minus what is the initial momentum? That was 1.8 I cap. 1.8 I cap. So change in momentum experienced by the ball comes out to be minus 4.8 I cap. Remember friends, this is the change in momentum, and the negative sign here is just to indicate the sense of direction. So in fact one can write down the change in momentum as 4.8 minus I cap. That is the change in momentum experienced by the ball. And how much, in what duration this change of momentum has taken place? The duration of that impact was 0.01. So force experienced by the ball will be change in rate of change of momentum experienced by the ball, and that is 4.8 divided by 0.01. I'm just neglecting the sense of direction, so minus sign was there with the sense of direction. So the force experienced by the ball will be 480 Newton. So that's how, what's the force ball experience? The same force is being transferred, the force experienced by the ball, and this same force will be transferred to the bat because it's an action reaction pair. So the force that the ball experience must be transferred by the bat. Or so the force experienced by the bat will be the same amount but directed in the opposite direction, that is 480 Newton, and this is directed along the minus I cap. So this force experienced by the bat will be 480 I cap. So that is how you are going to solve this particular numerical problem. Hope that this numerical problem will give you a greater insight towards understanding of conservation of momentum. Thank you very much, friends.